In this video, I will show you how to generate a professional video script on graphene-based thermal management using Perplexity and ChatGPT. Let's get started. I start by navigating to Perplexity and entering a detailed prompt into the search bar. I'm requesting a technical breakdown of graphene-based thermal management and solid-state battery technology for 2026 gaming phones. I make sure to ask for current statistics and expert viewpoints to ensure I get a high-quality, structured research brief. As the AI works, it compiles a comprehensive report covering executive summaries and technical architectures. I scroll through the results to review the data on mobile chip heat performance and advanced cooling solutions like vapor chambers. Once I'm satisfied with the research, I click the icon at the top to copy the entire document to my clipboard. Next, I switch over to ChatGPT to transform this research into a workable script. I paste the full brief into the message box and provide specific instructions. I ask for a 10-minute video script with a conversational tone, a strong hook at the 30-second mark, and for all technical data to be woven naturally into the dialogue. ChatGPT immediately starts drafting the script, organizing it into clear segments like the opening, technical explanations, and a conclusion. I scroll through the final result to check the flow and ensure the key stats are included. By combining these two tools, I've created an engaging script in just a few minutes. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.